How to leave Discord server. So if you want to leave Discord server, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for Discord. And on the first search you will have discord.com. Click on that and click on open Discord, which is on the upper right corner, and make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, you can simply click on any one of the server that you're in. And after opening the server, you will have a bunch of options. So you can click on the drop down bar and then go to server settings. And now on the left, you will have a bunch of options. Simply scroll all the way down, and on the last option, you will have delete server. You can click on delete server, and then you have to enter your server name. And after entering your server name, you can click on delete server. And that's it. That's how you leave your Discord server. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.